Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
Today we're gonna draw something delicious and cold. What do you think?
A smoothie?
Ice cream smoothie. That sounds really delicious.
In
It's
a
better than
special
any
cup.
smoothie, right? In a big cup. How about that?
And a huge
Humongous cup. For the cup, we're gonna start, how about somewhere right here? We're just gonna draw a straight line that's going across like this.
Like right straight here, start?
Yeah, like somewhere in the middle top area.
Start.
I'm gonna make mine just a little bit longer.
Mine too. I want it to be pretty darn long.
And then we're gonna make a long U shape that's going down like that. It's gonna go down.
That already looks like a cup.
And it's gonna go up
That already looks like a
like that.
cup.
And if it's coming up a
It
little
already
bit
looks like
further.
a cup.
Yeah, exactly. It looks like a cup already, right? Goes all the way up. And then let's actually draw an inner part of the cup, like another U shape that goes inside. Yeah, it's gonna go from one, see that corner right there? It's gonna go from that corner to that corner, but it's gonna go all the way down like
And
this.
then go like...
So you can see it's gonna be a glass cup. So you'll see it's gonna curve.
But you can color the inside whatever color you want.
Yep, and then it's gonna go up until you reach the other part of that corner. This way you can see like that inside area is like the glass part of the cup. Go up to the corner.
Slowly go.
And how about we'll draw a stand for the cup?
Ooh, so then it doesn't fall.
Exactly. So for that we're
Like
gonna
real cup.
go somewhere down here on the bottom, and we're gonna start on the one side. So I'm gonna start on the left and make a curve going like that towards the left side.
Even maybe Barbie.
And then on the, yep. And then on the right side, we'll do the same going towards the right like that. And then connect them together by just drawing a line across like this. Like that.
And then you already connected to the bottom.
Yours connected to the paper. So,
You mean to the table?
yep. And then how about also some a handle, right? So that you can
so
hold the
then you
cup.
can hold it so it doesn't like fall still.
I mean, you can hold it like this with your hands, but I think it's easier if you have like a
So
cup
then you can go-
holder handle. For that, we're gonna draw a C shape, but a backward C that's gonna go up like this and then go down and
like
curve
an
up.
oval.
Or like an ear, you know? There you go.
Or an oval, kind of.
And we'll do the same thing again, but we're gonna go outside of this shape. So we're gonna do the same exact curve, but outside to make it like an actual handle that you're holding.
The paper inside the paper. Cool.
There you go. And wow, look at that. Already we have a big cup,
Yeah.
right? Feel free to decorate your cup too. I'm gonna make maybe some lines down here for the bottom of the cup, maybe curving down like this. You just follow the same curve as it goes down towards the left here, and then I'm gonna do curve going towards the right. Just these curvy lines, just to make it a little bit more interesting. Okay. And then one last thing inside the cup is let's draw this kind of a curve shape that goes like that. And then do another shape that goes kind of like this, like a little slice of moon. And this is just gonna make it look more like glass inside. Okay, so that's it for the cup. Are you ready to move on to the yummy parts?
Yeah.
How about we'll draw the ice cream scoops on the top here, okay? Let's start with one scoop. So what we'll do is we're gonna make a big rounded shape right here. So I'll start right here and make a rounded shape that goes like that.
Whoa, that's really big.
Because I want a big yummy ice cream scoop. And then let's make another one that's gonna start somewhere over here and curve its way down towards the other top part of this cup. So like that, and go down like that. So we'll have two scoops this way. And now let's actually go inside and decorate these scoops, okay?
Yeah.
So one thing that's yummy on top of ice cream, what's something that we could pour on top?
Like cream, whipped cream.
We'll do whipped cream on top over here, but how about maybe some syrup?
I love syrup. I love syrup.
So we can do like chocolate syrup, strawberry syrup, like all kinds. So for the syrup, let's start here and let's make curvy. Let's make curvy, like dripping, dripping curves that go up and down. So they go down and up, and they're always curving. They're curving on the bottom and they're curving on the top, and they can be different lengths too. Make sure the curve is on the top and on the bottom. Beautiful. And let's do the same thing for this scoop as well. And remember, if we're going too fast, pause the video, finish what we just showed you, and then click play to continue moving forward with us. Okay, and then let's do it the same thing for this scoop as well. So for here, I'm gonna start somewhere over here, and I'm gonna just go down and up and make these curvy shapes like that.
That's my hardest part. Making those curves.
I know, so remember, you make curve down and curve up. So you're just going
like
wee,
waves?
wee, wee, like waves, exactly. How about we'll add some smiley faces to these guys?
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.
So I'm gonna make a curve for the one eye.
I make different smiley faces.
And a curve for the other eye. And I like to do eyelashes on both sides. Make this one a little bit longer. And then just a little smiley face. It's a happy scoop. And the same thing for this guy. How about this guy also has
no teeth. With no teeth, I knew it.
Eyelashes like that.
Very fast at trying eyelashes.
A curve for the happy face. There you go.
A big smiley face.
How about some sprinkles on top?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so for that, let's make these like little short dash lines that go in different directions. So one's going that way, one's going this way, and let's just put it all inside of this syrup part, okay? Like that. Or you can make dots if you want for sprinkles. I'm just gonna do these little dash marks that are going all kinds of different directions.
Maybe one more right here. Maybe a line right here.
Ooh, what if we also add some ears to these guys?
Whoa.
Make them like little friendly ice cream scoops. So for that, let's add a curve on both sides
so they
of
can
the
also
head.
hear people.
Don't eat me.
Don't eat me.
There's one ear there.
I heard you.
Maybe we'll do an ear right there for that guy. And sorry, I forgot because we already put the sprinkles in there, so that one ear is gonna look kind of funny. And then maybe another one right there, like that. Okay, what did you want on top? You wanted something yummy on top of the ice cream, right? Whipped cream? Okay, for the whipped cream. So what we'll do is we'll make a curve going like that from that side. We'll make a curve like this from that side. From the left side, so go here. And then let's just connect them here.
That's always my hardest part.
Just come to here and then move this up like that so you know where it ends. And then connect the left one up towards the top. Yep. And then here what we're gonna do is we're gonna curve up. We're gonna curve up and go like that. So we're gonna go wee, like an S, backwards S shape. And then this part we're gonna take and we're gonna bring it down like that.
Yum, 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 yum,
Looks delicious.
I want to have ice cream now.
So let's add a straw. I will add a straw over here somewhere. So we'll add a diagonal line that goes from here down to here. And we'll add another diagonal line that's parallel, so it's running in the same direction as this one, going down like that. And then let's connect the tops together like that. And then I want my straw to be kind of fun, and so I'm gonna make like little curvy inside lines like this, going like that. What do you think?
Yeah.
And then you can color these different colors if you want. And there you have it. There is your delicious what?
Ice cream in a smoothie.
Ice cream smoothie. Ooh.
Yeah.
Why don't you guys go ahead and color yours in and then come back and see how we finished. You ready?
Yeah.
Lila, what flavors did you make yours?
Raspberry and chocolate.
Ooh, so your whole thing is raspberry and chocolate.
Basically.
Yum, that sounds delicious. So I made mine vanilla with some chocolate syrup on top
Why
and
did
some
you do,
raspberry.
that yellow.
Yellow for the vanilla, and then some like strawberry ice cream smoothie on the inside. So
That's what I did. That's why I wanted to color those.
I think this is gonna be delicious. I am like a little hungry for something like this. What do you think?
Yeah.
I have a craving for something yummy and delicious. So we're gonna go and enjoy a smoothie. Maybe you guys can do the same. But before we do that, we would love to see how your drawings turned out. So please make sure to take a photo and share with us. And the information for how to do that is below the video. We really hope you enjoyed this drawing exercise with us. Please check out our other drawing examples, and we have other food examples like this one, right?
Yeah.
Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.